we're gonna go to the greenhouse. I'm just gonna get some things watered, and then I'm gonna grab some soil. We're gonna plant up some succulents inside the house today, so we're gonna work on getting the inside of the house dirty too. We just have to watch out for all of this ice here. I don't want to slip, so we gotta walk like a penguin here. Well, we just got in and it smells so bad in here because I burnt something for lunch. But I'm out of breath because I just had to carry our bag of soil in, and they're actually heavier. Hey Sayla, they're actually heavier than normal because they're a little damp. So, and I also brought in a little surprise, Sayla. We brought in Fuzzy's grass. Are you gonna eat it? No, little silly. Don't forget to subscribe to the Lawrence Garden Farm. This croton here is constantly drying out in the house, so I'm constantly watering it. I'll have to bump it up into a larger pot real soon. We also spritz it every day because these guys are used to really humid conditions. Once I'm done watering it, I just kind of let it sit here to just drain out in the sink, and then when it's ready, we'll move it back over by the potting bench. We move our plants around a lot, so they're constantly getting even sun all the way around. Today we're going to just kind of turn it that way a little bit, and then we give it our daily spritz. So the daily spritzing and watering inside is all complete for now, but today we are going to pot up these little guys. So these little succulents really need to get out of their containers. So we've got these clay pots here, and we're gonna go ahead and take the stickers off of the bottom. So we wanna make sure we do have some drainage there. And then we do have nice little plates that we can put them on, so after we water them they can sit in there and it can protect your wood or whatever. But I know a lot of you guys ask, you know, if some of the water ruins our wood or anything. So on our floor we actually have tile, so that's not harmed, but our wood shelves, they're made to just get roughed up. We're okay with watermarks on those. On our trim here and everything, we do get watermarks, and there's not really anything you can do if you're growing a lot of plants in the house. So that's just the risk we're willing to take. But then we're gonna go ahead and use their soil in here. This is the Jolly Gardener growing mix. I love using this for our succulents. This is just nice and fluffy, and everything just grew better in it. Everything got bigger in this, and we're gonna show you how we plant up our succulents and how we have success with them ourselves. And there are many different ways to plant up succulents, but today we're just gonna share our way and how we have success with succulents, and it's super easy. Fill the pot about halfway. So first we're gonna start off with the Moon Silver succulent. Kind of squeeze the pot. It loosens up the root a little bit so you're not just yanking. You can see I just go ahead and kind of eliminate the top little bit of soil that was on there. There we go, okay? And I don't really break up the roots too much, just a little, because their roots are very delicate and thin. Okay, and that's good enough. And then what we do is just kind of put it into the dirt right like that. And all I do is just go like this just a little bit. Twist and turn it, but I'm not pushing it down. And then the next step is I just go ahead and fill in the sides with some dirt. So the surface of this soil now is even with the root ball. And then what I'm gonna do is, you could just leave it like that, but we like to dress it up when it's in the house. So we're gonna add some pretty little white rocks. And what's nice about adding rocks too is when you go to water your succulents, you're not getting a ton of dirt splashing up onto your succulents. And it just looks cleaner and more decorative in the house. We just use any type of decorative rocks. When it's not winter and frozen outside, a lot of times I just go outside and grab the pea gravel out of the garden. Pretty much use whatever you have and whatever works for you. And there's your new little succulent.
Can I play in the dirt, Mama?
Of course you can play in the dirt. This is a favorite little activity for the kids. Yep, it gets messy, but we just keep a vacuum nearby. It's all dry dirt, so it's not a problem. The next step is that I just turn the sink on low and use my sink hose, and I just go over it and get it watered in nice. So I've had a lot of people ask about these shelves in our south side window here, and Jason built these for me. So all he did was measure the wood for the width, and he cut a little notch in it so it could scooch all the way back to the window, and he put these little guys in there, and that's what the shelf sits on. You can see the notch is a little bit better here, but he pretty much drilled a hole and they stick right in there, and the shelves are removable then too, which is really nice. And then in summertime, we remove all of the shelves so that way we can see the gardens outside when they're in their full color and green and lush. Right now, it's just snow. Don't forget to subscribe to the Lawrence Garden Farm.
Hey, Mommy, can I help?
Yeah, you want to plant a succulent?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get Sayla all set up here.
That's a lot.
What succulent are you going to choose, Sayla?
This one.
That one, huh? Yes.
No, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so do you know how to take it out of its pot?
Nope.
Okay, so pick up the pot. All right, now squeeze the pot. Turn it and squeeze it, not too tight. Just turn it now. Because all you're doing is you're loosening up the root so it pulls out of the pot really easy, okay? Hold all of the pieces together like this. Put your hand around it like a ponytail. There you go. Now place it into the pot. All right, so now you just fill it up around the sides.
Try not to get Lana point out.
Yep. Now let's move the pot this way and then scooch the foliage that way a little and put some dirt right in there. That should be plenty, okay? So now, do you know what you get to do?
What?
You get to add the rocks. You excited?
I'm all done.
That looks great, Sayla.
I'm just putting some dirt in here to make a small plant. So I'm gonna put a pot inside a pot. So
Very creative.
I'm gonna put some more dirt in. I'm doing another one, but I'm gonna do this one this time.
Ooh, spider web hens and chicks, huh?
Yeah!
That looks pretty cool. I think she's having a little too much fun in that soil bucket. Don't forget to subscribe to the Lawrence Garden Farm. Lana's joined us now after school. She brought home her folder, which always has an abundance of cool projects in there. You gonna show us what you got? Okay, cool.
You've been so impressed of this one.
Oh, I am impressed. I know what this is.
What?
You drew your little garden space.
No.
So we haven't mentioned anything, but one of our really big projects this year is creating a really big outdoor oasis for the kids. So it's gonna be done in stages, so only a few steps this year, but the girls are really excited about it. Let's see what else you got here.
So this is from Brooklyn, and she made a card for Luxley's birthday, so
Aww.
I can give it to her on her birthday.
Aw, Lana, you always draw so many beautiful, fun rainbows, happy pictures with flowers.
I do too.
Oh, you do too? Yeah, Sayla's actually a really good artist. For a 4-year-old, she's a really good artist.
And then these are more papers.
So Sayla and I have been planting up some succulents. Do you want to do one, Lana?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay, come take a look. Fuzzy's getting crazy down here. Fuzz, behave. Fuzzy Wuzzy. Fuzzy.
No. You can do the big one.
Hey, she likes to attack my leg. She likes to attack my leg. But Fuzzy's a really gentle cat, so she never really hurts or anything. Be careful, Sayla. You're so crazy.
More higher.
She made her chair even higher.
How did she do that? I can't.
I don't know, that's what she did.
Lana, these are what the rocks look like. They're this white. With these rocks white.
So Lana, which succulent are you gonna choose?
I don't know. This one.
So this is the one that Lana chose.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, it's an echeveria. This one's called Minima.
I really like that.
Never tried this one before.
Mama, can you kill me? Pick.
Good pick, Lana. Good pick. You're doing a good job, Lana. Wow, Lana, you really like those stones in there, huh? Making pizza in there?
Some cheese. Now pepperoni. Do, 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 do. Now let's put it in the oven. Mushrooms. Let's put it in the oven. Mushrooms. This is the
Mushrooms? Who eats mushrooms on their pizza? I know a lot of you watching probably do.
Look at the pizza.
Wow, look at that pizza. That soil bin keeps them busy for hours.
The more you love, the more you live.